Yeah, just gonna look at this again. Because the marginal profit is the area between marginal revenue and costs. So integration, you can get the profit. So let's see, 1,000 e power minus x plus 5, and then 60 minus 0.1x. So, and then the profit is the area from 0 to 550. So I kind of see the issue here. Because remember, so the profit is going to be 0, the exponential function, minus 60, minus, so plus 0.1x dx. And then minus, because you have to flip the sign because it's the other way around, that point of intersection up to 550, the same expression, just with the sign flipped because the minus in front. Now that point of intersection, we'll have to get that numerically. Two point nine 2.91. So that would be minus 1,000 e minus x, and then 5 minus 60, so minus 55x plus 0.05x squared, 0 to 2.91, and then minus the same expression at 2.91 to 550. So let's see what we get here. Minus 1,000 times e power that, minus 55 times that, plus 0.05 times that squared. Minus 214.1023 minus, and then what I'll do, put in 0. That's minus 1,000 minus, and then I'll put in 550. So minus 15125, and then put in 2.91. So minus 2.14.1023. 3 minuses. This first minus is this. The second minus is because you have to subtract the 2, and then the last minus is because that actually is the value of it. So that looks like it completely cancels that, and they all become positive. So that's 16.125. I wonder if that is what I got when I did this a moment ago. Can't remember. Let me check. Yeah, it's funny because when I did it the other way, you get the same answer. So it seems like the intersection point here is a little bit unnecessary to calculate, because this is quite small. So going from 0 to 550, and then the effect of this up to 550, but correct in here. I mean, this area here will incorrectly take away. But if you go up to 550, you can kind of see. And 550 looks like it must be the profit maximization point. Basically a triangular shape. So it's half the base. So that's a half 550 times the height here. And figure out the height. There, 1,000. Is it? I know. Yeah, because the scale in here. Sorry, I should be looking at this one here. So it's roughly a triangle between the two. So half the base, I think that's 550, times the height, which is, that height 60. So even if you just approximate it as a triangle, you get 16,500. So even the effect of this little strip at the bottom and this bit, yeah, so it's kind of a weird question, I think, a little bit.